Silence S01 BAAS 2024. Clean mobility without excuses. The Spanish company comes to the table by reducing the price of Silence S01 to €3,200, including free battery replacement, BAS, for the first 3 years. If you are in any doubt between combustion or electric scooters, now is the time to go as zero emissions. Times have changed. Silence is the national and European market leader in electric scooter production, with a 66% market share nationwide and 40% in Europe. It should also be noted that it is a Spanish company founded in 2012 by former Dakar native Carlos Sotelo. It is currently owned by the energy company Acciona and specializes in vehicle/battery design, development and production from its factory in Barcelona. The current Silence range consists of 4 models: S01, in the catalogue since 2019, S01 Plus, S02, common model in motorsharing fleets, and S04, 2-seater city car. Compared to the standard version, the S01 Plus includes more complete equipment: color, upholstery, shock absorber, Galfa cushions and P2P mode, which mainly increases acceleration when overtaking. In Spain, it is possible to purchase its products by subscription, battery rental, with an approach that has been constantly growing with more than 2,000 exchanges per month for 2 years. Silence S01 BAAS 2024-6. The main features of the Silence S01, L3E approved, equivalent to 125 cubic centimeters model, include a 7000 W/9 kilowatts brushless electric motor located on the rear wheel and delivering a continuous torque of 119 cubic centimeters. 12 nominal HP and 15 peak Nm HP is located. This propellant is enough to launch the vehicle from 0 to 50 km per hour in 3.6 seconds. Energy comes from a 5.6 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, removable 41 kg module with a car-like handle in the middle for easy transport and charging, includes an anti-theft lock, providing up to 133 km of autonomy. It also has a regenerative system that will charge the battery when the gas is cut off. Silence announced that his total weight is 152 kilograms. Silence S01. Other interesting aspects include 3 driving modes: Eco-70 km/h-, City-85 km/h, and Sport-100 km/h-, selectable using the mode button on the right wheel, reverse gear, green button. Takes place on the left. Pineapple, full LED lighting, LCD digital display instruments, offering information on maximum speed, battery, motor and inverter charge level, average speed, autonomy and driving time, low clearance seating for 2 full-face helmets, flat floor, luggage rack hook, center stand, support stand, rear tire on counter shield. 15-inch and 14-inch rear, foldable passenger footrests and adjustable arms. A tubular steel frame, conventional telescopic fork, CBS combined braking, by pressing the left brake lever on both wheels. Independent passenger arms, dual USB 5V power outlets, single-sided swing arm and right-side rear monoshock complete the package. There is no lack of Bluetooth connectivity with our smartphone either, and to complement this there is a special accessories catalog: windshield, 39L rear trunk, luggage bags, mobile phone holder, anti-theft device, etc. Via the My Silence app, available for iOS and Android, we can find out where it is parked, turn it on and off without the ignition key, find out the status of the battery, autonomy levels and even receive alerts about maintenance from the phone.